Long division. When we divide, we share into equal groups. For example, 6 divided by 3 means 6 shared into 3 equal groups. We can see that 6 divided by 3 is 2. The number we are dividing up is called the dividend. And here is the divisor. The divisor shows us the number of groups we're splitting the dividend up into. The quotient is the number that is in each group. In other words, it's our answer. When we want to divide up larger numbers, we can use a process called long division. An easy way to remember the steps for long division is the acronym HMS Bring down. How many, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Let's see how it works. Here we have an equation, 942 divided by 3. First we'll have to rewrite the equation using the long division symbol. 942 divided by 3. Here is the dividend, here is the divisor, and here is where the quotient, our answer, will go. Let's get started. Writing HMS Bring down at the top of the page is a good idea if you're still learning the process. It's important to note that we must always work from left to right with long division. First is the H, which stands for how many. How many 3's fit into 9? 3 fits into 9 3 times. So now we have the first digit of our answer, 3. We write it up where our answer goes, making sure we write it above the hundreds. After H, we have M, which stands for multiply. We must multiply the divisor, which is 3, by the number we have just written down, which is also 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. The 9 is written directly underneath the place value we're working with, which is the hundreds. Now we move on to S, which stands for subtract. We subtract the number we have just written down, 9, from the number directly above it, also a 9. 9 subtract 9 equals 0. Now we come to bring down. Remember, we are working from left to right. So now that we have finished the hundreds, we move to the tens. We bring down the tens. There are 4 tens. Now we've completed all the steps, H, M, S, and bring down. What do? We move to the place value to the right and go through HMS Bring down all over again. H. How many? How many 3's in 4? It only fits in once. Now we have the second digit of our answer, 1. We write it in above the tens. We can see that 3 doesn't fit perfectly into 4, but that's okay. We will deal with that in the next step. M. Multiply. 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. The 3 is written directly underneath the place value we're working with, which is tens. S. Subtract. We subtract the number we have just written down, 3, from the number directly above it, 4. 4 subtract 3 equals 1. Remember, in the first step, 3 didn't fit perfectly into 4? There was 1 left over. Well, this is where that 1 shows up. Now bring down. We bring down the next digit, which is a 2. 2 ones. Now we've finished all the steps with the tens, we have to repeat them with the ones. H. How many? How many 3's in 12? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It fits in 4 times. Now we have the next digit of our answer, 4. We write it above the ones. M. Multiply. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. The 12 is written directly underneath the place value we're working with, which is the ones. S. Subtract. We subtract the number we have just written down, 12, from the number directly above it, 12. 12 subtract 12 equals 0. The next step is bring down, but there are no more digits to bring down. This means we've finished. The 0 here tells us that there are no remainders. We have worked out that 942 divided by 3 equals 314. Long division can be a tricky skill to learn, but it does get easier, so practice as much as you can. EasyTeaching.net